Hello everyone friends, on the Caliber of Islov. Today I will show you how to use Rainmeter on Windows 11. Go to the search, write Rainmeter. Yes, here is the Rainmeter desktop customization tool and click download. Let's open it. Click OK and click next. Click install and click yes. Here, then click start and Rainmeter opens us. We open it and we've got all sorts of things here, as you see. Yes, that is, well, what you don't like you can close by simply selecting, for example, System, yes, and click Unload and Remove. In general, you can take everything you don't like. Here I have it in general, like this. If you want to upload some skins here, yes, go to Google, write Rainmeter skins, go in, we'll download whatever you want. Yes. Here, we download such a file. We open it. Click install here. We are waiting. That's it, the installation took place. Let's go back. That's it. And here we already have respectively a tab. Here we can use it. That's it. Well, we're the one that minimizes. Yes, and download whatever you want. That's it, and you can use it. That's all. I was with you. Bye-bye.